Avenza Maps is an app designed to use your phone's GPS so you can actually get a bunch of maps just on your phone, which you can use when you don't have access to Wi-Fi or cellular data. You can see right here when you open up the app, you can basically see there's going to be an option to add maps to your screen. And currently I've added a few maps, so I can basically click on any of these. I'll show you how to get these maps and you can view yourself in correlation to the map wherever you are. I'm way over here though, based on your location. But all you need to do to use this app is you want to click on the discover option right here, and you can basically search for any maps. Now let's just say I'm searching for a map in Woodland Park. It can be a small city, it can be a town, it can be a forest or region, and you can basically find maps from any different year. And once you've done that, you can basically click on the open map option, and you can see right here it'll basically open you up on your map in coloration. It'll put you in a blue dot, and you can basically zoom in on this map, see all the contour lines, see where you are in coloration to the map, and you can basically drop pins if you do want to start tracking, or just drop pins for where you might have seen a house, an artifact, or something else like that, or maybe where you parked your car. And you can even add photos to these as well as a description, which I highly recommend you do so you know the reason that you dropped a pin, and you can simply change the pin color. And basically once you've actually used this app, there'll be an option to start tracking. If you swipe up and click on tracking, so you can actually basically record your tracks to see which direction you are going, whether it be north, east, south, or west, and basically see your distance, speed, average speed, and duration that you've traveled across your map. And you can see this, you can open up a bunch of different maps just on this app like so. It doesn't have to be one map. You can basically get a bunch of maps just so you can use them offline, and you can always export your points and then put them on Google Earth Pro or something like that if you do want to export your points and put them elsewhere. But basically that's all you need to do, and this app is made so to use maps offline. I've been using it for a minute. If you found this helpful, leave a like, and I would appreciate if you subscribed, and thanks so much for watching.